Went camping this past weekend. Ooh, good thing we had some water to put the fires out. This is an urban garden product review on the Vevor portable water storage bladder. My reviews are based on these 5 categories. Top score is 50 out of 50. For style, I like orange and black. It's definitely eye-catching. I like the rectangular shape, which gives it a low profile. I do like the fact that it's a bladder that makes it collapsible and storable as opposed to a hard plastic container. I'm a little iffy on the printed water level. It kind of keeps you guessing, and it's no accurate way to gauge how much water you actually have in there. There's really not a lot to expect from a water bladder. It's a very simple thing. So for style, I give this an 8.5. Now on to ease of use. Like I said, this is a very simple product. There's not much to it. This cap right here is where you load the water. And to use and release water, it comes with a simple plastic ball valve. This product does have a logistical curve. I do not recommend traveling with this bladder full of water in any way. All the footage you're seeing right now is just me testing it out, seeing how it would work on my minivan. I realized that in any case, it was going to be too heavy or sloshy for travel. This would be even worse if I kept it on top of my roof rack, which would make me top heavy. So what I did was I kept it empty on the floor of my vehicle, and I was able to store non-sharp and punctureless things on top for travel. If you do need to travel with water, I recommend smaller sizes or do not fill the container so much. Other than that, you're going to need a heavy utility vehicle. If it wasn't for the logistical curve, I could have easily given this a 10, but I give it a 9.5 for ease of use. Moving on to features. This part is very simple. There is an inlet on top of the bladder with an easy to twist cap. This is where you can insert your hose and fill your bladder with water. On the side, there is an 1.5-inch outlet. The product comes with Teflon tape to use for sealant. The product also comes with an 1.5-inch PVC ball valve. It is female threaded on both sides. Anything downstream of the ball valve could easily be customized by the owner. Again, I wasn't too impressed with the printed water level, and the load straps are kind of iffy as well. For features, I give this a 9. This bladder is made out of 1000D PVC fabric. I have no doubt this is pretty strong. I have a 15-year-old fishing tube that is made of the same material. I'm pretty sure the plastic parts are very durable as well. But of course, this material does not beat a hard plastic container, so I give this an 8. And now finally on to usefulness. This product enables you. I didn't have to walk so far for water, so as you can see, I have enough energy to dance. I can also see myself using this for remote gardening applications, bringing water to plants where there is no water outlet. At the campsite, it was also a pleasure not to have to walk so far just to get water every time I needed it. That means I didn't have to dread taking a shower, so I was clean. Now here's the best part. When you're done with it, you can fold it up and store it. I think this is a very useful product, though I would not be using it all the time, so I give this a 9. This brings my grade for this product to 44 out of 50 with a price point of about $60. I don't know about you, but to me that is a steal, especially considering the price of hard plastic water tanks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, make sure you follow for more product reviews.